Hi, hello everybody. Welcome back to my channel. And thank you so much for my returning subscribers and the fam that just joined. Highly appreciate it, guys, and I hope you like my content that I did the last time and upcoming content as well. And that's what we're going to be discussing, the future plans of this channel and what I'm doing. But in this particular video, you're just gonna watch me crochet and I'm gonna do a voiceover. Tell me if you like my voiceovers or if you wanna just see me. But I'm breaking into YouTube and just being out there and putting myself out there. So I want to post more videos, more crochet vlog videos. I wouldn't necessarily say this is a tutorial channel. No, it's not. However, I'll link everything I do in my vlogs in the description below, whether I learned it here or at a website or specific channel. I'll always mention it. I'll try my best to mention it. If I don't, please do go in the description box, no, in the comment section. Go in the comment sections and let me know that, yay, Nzala, you forgot. Nzala meaning cousin. You forgot to tell us that how do you do this, or just where did you get the pattern? And that's about it. There's a lot of crochet channels that can teach you much better than I do. I don't know if I'm good at it. I doubt. But anyway, now coming into that, I'm going to talk about why I started this channel. So the reason I started this YouTube channel is to be a creative outlet, to express myself and the fears that I'm dealing with. I'm suffering from self-doubt, like am I enough? It's very uncomfortable for me to feel qualified to do something. I don't know if that makes sense, you know? I'm not an expert in something. Probably suffering from imposter syndrome, where you know you have the skill, but you have this doubt in you. So this channel is for me to express that, to show the things I'm doing and just move forward, with that struggle and conquer it no matter what it takes. So that is about it. And it's me committing, to you, to show you that I'm here for the long run. So I set a goal for myself. It was a very vague goal, where it was by just post more on YouTube. And then I did some research and saw online a SMART goal. If you go online and Google it, you'll see SMART goal. SMART goal, if you set it, it's like more specific, where you specify what your goal is. You are measuring your goal, if it's measurable, if it's achievable, if it's relevant, and if it's time-based, like what time you're saying. So me saying, I'm going to post more on YouTube is very, very vague, and it's not being truthful to you. What if I just, I'm going to post more? Like, I never posted last year. So me posting one video, 2 videos in a month is posting more, which no, it's not. Because if it's specific, it will tell you how many times you'll be posting, how will you maintain your progress, how you're going to ensure that you're within time frame, and so many other things. If it's relevant, it's relevant to the channel, because it's going to be a crochet vlogging channel. So, and it goes all in theme and parts, so it's good. And time-based, where I'm going to be realistic. So my SMART goal that I set is I will vlog my crochet pieces / items during the week when I'm free or watching Netflix, and I'll edit them I post the videos on YouTube on weekends. That is my smart goal. I'm being very specific. I'm being relevant to my channel, and I'm time bound, basically, that on weekends it's there. If you guys want to know more on how to set smart goals, or if you want me to go in depth, do let me know. I can make a video on that. But if you just go and Google, you'll see. But I've got like more questions that I can ask, like in thorough, to just help you with your journey. In conclusion, it's a bookmark. This is one of my videos that I'm bookmarking in this YouTube journey, where I bookmark that, you know what, I crocheted a plant, a leaf in the color green, which means growth for me. It means growth. It just means that I'm gonna grow. So I'm reminding myself that I'm gonna grow in this YouTube space for my future channel, where I'm gonna vlog what I crochet and overcome my fear of feeling like I'm not enough, you know? So that's what's gonna happen in this channel, and these nerves must just go away, because you guys aren't seeing me right now. So imagine when you see me. Any questions you have for me, please go in the description and let me know. Let's vote on a name. Would you like Chomi or would you like Mzala? Which one is it? On my next vlog, I'll be revealing. In my next video, I'll be revealing the name that won. But probably I'm gravitating over towards Bomzala. Yeah, it was just a sit down chit chat with me, nothing much. And this is me bookmarking my journey in the spaces, the YouTube spaces, you know. Let this dreamy feeling be a reality, you know. And there's my bookmark, guys. We are done. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for listening to me and being with me all the way. Let's grow, let's flourish. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for being with me throughout this whole journey, this whole conversation. This one was a bit tough for me to come through with it, and I appreciate for you staying here and just listening and being there. And let's just continue with this journey and share some fun craft stuff on the channel. And see you on the next one. I hope you enjoy this one till the end. See you, and don't forget to click the bell icon and the like button. See you.